Hey everyone, my name is Katie Blevins. I am a third grade teacher at Westside Elementary School in Whitfield County, Georgia. This will be my 7th year teaching coming up, so I'm still a relatively new educator. But I have been attending Kennesaw State's Masters of Instructional Technology program since August of 2020. I originally joined the program just because I feel like technology is up and coming, and with all of the COVID things that were going on at the time, it felt like it was going to be a huge benefit, and it has been a huge benefit for me as well as others around me, I believe. So, having that said, I will also have completed my leadership endorsement during this program, which is a huge benefit for me as well. Throughout the program, I've learned a lot about myself personally and professionally. The program has had a lot of coursework that has driven me to think about my dispositions and my attitudes, and it has also driven me to think about my vision for education and what are my dreams in education. Also, how can I make those dreams come true, and how can I make those visions come true? How can I help community members? Those are all things that I think I never thought about before. I never thought about how the community is involved and how diverse groups feel. Those are things that I didn't learn in undergrad school, and I didn't really feel like those are things that I ever really thought about. So throughout the program, I have kind of identified that I want to move into a leadership role. That's why I chose to do the leadership endorsement. I'm still a relatively new teacher, so I do feel that over the next couple of years, I still want to really just become more of a leadership in my homeroom teacher position over the next couple of years. I really want to build relationships with my coworkers and my colleagues, and I want to be seen as a leader in the school, but not hold a leadership position. I want to be seen as someone that people come to when they need technology help. We do have IT people at our school, and we do have a media specialist, but their main jobs are, the media specialist job is for her to run the library, and she does help with technology some. And the IT person, he really is just kind of like Mr. Fix-It. So I really want to be someone who can help people integrate technology into their classrooms. I want to hold professional learnings at my school and just be viewed as someone that people can come to when they need help and when they need guidance. This course, the course where we read the impact cycle, really helped me a lot. That textbook helped me a lot, and I think it taught me a lot about how to help adult learners. We don't really target adult learners as an elementary school teacher, so I really feel like it was an interesting perspective to think on that and think about how can I help my coworkers? How can I build relationships with people? I never really thought about how building relationships would be so important whenever it came to coaching someone. So those are some of the major accomplishments in the program, is that I have really had to think about who I am as an educator, and I've had to kind of do some soul searching throughout this program. Now, I have learned a lot about the logistics of what it means to be a leader in a school. How to look at data, how to take what data I have and turn it into something beneficial for others. Those are some other skills that I have learned, but my main takeaways from this program were to be a better leader and how I can help others integrate technology into their classroom. So as I said, my short-term goals are just to become a leader within the school and not hold a leadership role. Long-term goals, I would like to obtain my specialist. It may not be in technology education, though. I may choose to do my specialist in some other area. Another goal that I have is to hold a coaching position in the future. But as I said before, I'm still gaining so much knowledge from teachers who have more experience from me. And I'm new to a school, and I really want to build those relationships, and those are my goals for right now. Later down the road, I may want to be a coach, or I may want to move into administration. But those are things that are much farther down the road for me. I have learned a lot throughout this program at Kennesaw State, and I think it's been a fantastic program, and I can't wait to see where I can use all the things that I have learned from the program.